Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Valorant crashing in 2025. So there are multiple ways to fix that. So the first step is to update graphics drivers. Head to your GPU's website. If you are using NVIDIA, go to NVIDIA. If you are using AMD graphics card, then AMD or Intel, and download the latest driver. Outdated drivers cause 90% of issue. So after that, you can just right click on your Valorant and choose run as administrator. This fixes launch and crash issues due to permission errors. And after that, you can delete cache files. So for that, you have to enter Windows, then run menu, and after that you have to type local app data percent local app data percent and click on enter, and you have to just select all, or you can just delete the Valorant and Riot games folder. Don't worry, this won't delete your game, just corrupted cache files will be deleted, and you have to just uh, delete it. So after that, the next step will be set compatibility mode. So for that, you have to right click on the Valorant shortcut and go into the properties section, then compatibility, and check for run this program in compatibility mode and choose Windows 8 button. And if this steps doesn't help, then you can disable overlays. So turn off overlays from Discord, Xbox Game Bar, and Nvidia GeForce Experience. This can conflict with Valorant. So let me give you a bonus tip. If anything, the steps I have already told you about doesn't work, then you have to reinstall Riot Vanguard. You have to first open CMD command prompt on your computer. So for that, you have to click CMD, type CMD as admin, and type SC, then delete, then VGC, and then uninstall Riot Vanguard from apps, reboot, and Valorant will reinstall it fresh. And after that, you can just open your Valorant app on Run as administrator, and you're good to go. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.